Andhra Chilli chicken, known for its spicy cuisine, elevates the humble chicken into a culinary masterpiece with this recipe. Hi, I'm Naina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, here to start with the recipe, we're gonna need 1 kg of cut chicken pieces and marinate this chicken with 1 lemon, a tablespoon of salt and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I always like to marinate the chicken as it adds flavor to the meat and also aiding the texture to become more tender. Allow it to rest for at least 30 minutes. Now we're gonna chop 2 to 3 onions. Next is the hero ingredient of this dish and is responsible for the spiciness and heat. I have taken 20 to 25 dark green chilies which I have ground to a paste. This forms the curry of the dish. Depending on the spiciness and your spice tolerance, you can always increase or decrease the quantity of the chilies you use. Now, take a pressure cooker and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil to it. Add the chopped onions. Fry it for a while and then add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. To this, we're going to add the coarsely ground green chilies, fry it well for another 5 to 10 minutes. Most of the flavor for this dish comes from just 2 basic ingredients, that is green chilies and chicken. You'll always need 3 to 5 chilies to be fried along with the other spices. Pour in the marinated chicken piece and mix them well. Andhra Chilli chicken or green chilli chicken is the dish bursting with flavor and heat. Apart from being incredibly delicious, what I love about this chicken dish is just how quick and simple it is to make at home. We're gonna pressure cook this chicken with 3 whistles. Once the chicken is cooked, add a tablespoon of corn flour to 1/4 glass of water. Mix it well and pour it to the chicken. This slurry helps thicken the gravy and achieve the perfect chili chicken texture. And let the gravy simmer for 2 minutes. Lastly, garnish it with some coriander leaves and your Andhra Chilli chicken is now ready to serve. You can see that the chicken is nicely cooked, juicy and tender. This dish goes very well with the rice as well as rotis. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos.